Alright guys, if you are hearing that noise when you're opening your driver's side or passenger side door, they're having a TSB out on these. These are the F-150s, and there's also some F-250s here, so I'll put the TSB number on the screen here. If you're having some issues with the noisy door here, how I fixed it, how they suggest to fix it, is to actually remove these bolts. So you got a 10 millimeter here and then two 10 millimeters here. And then they say it just slides off, so their TSB is really very minimal. It's just said remove that, but if you remove that and remove those two, you have to remove this whole panel in order to get that to come out, to clean that. And all they said is just to clean this. So once I tried to take that off, I realized that's too much work, so I actually just took a paper towel and wiped that down. And it was still kind of making the noise, so I just took some WD-40 and sprayed that, and sprayed it kind of in the bolts there, or in where the bar slider goes, and then wiped that down, and it seemed to make it go away. So easy as that, guys. So you don't really need to follow the TSB, just WD-40 and wipe it down. And also you can WD-40 like the bolts that it pivots on. That might help a little bit too, but most of your noise is going to be coming from that bar though, so just clean it off and WD-40.